WeatherBELL Analytics meteorologist Joe Bastardi. Not much to talk about this week here. This is today's snow. Tomorrow sinks a little bit further south, and we go to Wednesday. Maybe a little bit of freezing rain up across New York, or maybe the Poconos Wednesday. Thursdays like this. Friday the colder air is pushing in, and we get to Saturday. Now, when we get to Sunday and Monday, that's going to get interesting because we're going to get this big cold high attacked. And that's when we may be seeing some snow. So over the next week, and this would be Sunday and Monday, you see the snow looking like this. During week 2, though, it begins to sink southward. Now, we talked last week that there was going to be this big warm-up this week, and it's here. And then it's going to cool down next week. And the pattern is going to be very similar to February 1994. And when we look at the upper air pattern in February 1994, notice this configuration here, and that's what the computer modeling is going to. That's a very cold, stormy pattern from Texas. In fact, it's going to snow Friday in Texas. From Texas to New England, it loves to snow and ice in these patterns because all this Arctic air is sitting in here, and there's a fight that goes on in here. So that's where we think this is going. So the temperature, February 9th through 15th, I think looks a lot like this, with cold up in New England, but warmth in the southeast, battleground in between. That offers plenty of potential. After that, I'm calling for a crescendo of cold from February 15th to March 14th, where the pattern finally links to the El Nino with the Southern Oscillation Index going negative and the El Nino look, and a blend of 1978 and 2015 may show up for that particular 1-month period. So heads up this week. Plenty of time to relax. Enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got.